Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Grindr registration error on iPhone. So to fix Grindr registration error on iPhone, the first what you can do is switch your network connection. If you are on Wi-Fi, just turn it off and use cellular data or vice versa to bypass IP-based restriction. The next what you can do is update your app. Just go to your app store and then go to your search bar, search for Grindr. And then if you see an update option here, just tap on update to get the latest version of Grindr. The next what you can do is reinstalling the app. Delete your app and then go to your app store again and then download Grindr. The next what you can do is go to your iPhone settings and then toggle on or off allow apps to request to track or ensure your identifier is repressed to clear device flags. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.